Okay.
Yes. But this earlier came before this honorable court by way of a second appeal. Lady must be aware that of the commercial court, yes. We had filed under a mistaken belief a second appeal, which was ultimately permitted. My lady had permitted us to withdraw the second appeal, and I filed the present petition. So there are concurrent findings of facts so far as the petitioners are concerned. The plaintiffs are the petitioners before my lady, the suit for specific performance of an agreement to say.
On what grounds suit has been dismissed?
So it has been dismissed on the ground that there were NCLT proceedings which were going on where I was removed as a
Yes.
I was removed, the petitioners before my lady were removed as directors of the company before the NCLT. And we stated that whatever fraud is committed.
Plaintiffs are the director.
Plaintiffs are 50% directors of in the defendant number 1 company. And the defendant,
company is in insolvency.
no, the company is still into existence. Defendant number 1,
There are proceedings before NCLT.
those have become final. I
What-
was removed as a director way back in 2008-9.
No, what happened in those proceedings?
Because I was removed as a director, they filed NCLT, before the NCLT, it was contended.
What
That-
happened to these properties with respect to
That
which
is precisely what.
you are seeking injunction?
I am seeking injunction which was granted to me from 2013.
No, what
Yes.
happened to these properties before
They have sold
NCLT?
it, they have sold it.
Then
in
what
favor-
remains in the suit?
They have sold it in favor of defendant number 4, who is
So-
a relative.
We are not concerned with
Well-
that. Now, so far as the properties with respect to which you are seeking injunction,
Yes,
that properties are sold in the proceedings before NCLT. Right?
pursuant,
Now-
not pursuant to the pursuant to SARFAESI proceedings. because that-
Whatever
Yes.
proceeding before
So therefore,
some
that was a subject matter of
recovery,
challenge by.
just a minute. In the recovery proceedings under SARFAESI Act, those properties were attached and sold, disposed of to set off the loan, which was
That's right.
against the company,
That's right,
right?
that's right.
Now, this issue, so far as SARFAESI proceedings are concerned,
Yes,
that proceedings are over, property is not in existence.
property. Yes, it's an
Third-party
immovable
rights
property.
third-party rights are created.
It's an
now-
immovable property that was created way back in 2000.
Whatever it may be, now,
I had filed a suit.
mm,
It was.
it does
it
not
was
matter.
Basically, the suit was for that.
See, it does not matter. The proceedings under SARFAESI was going on against whom?
That's the proceedings and that's the surface were going on between the parties.
Mr. Counsel, don't give us evasive
I-
reply. We are asking you to give the correct and complete answer.
Yes,
Evasive replies are not going to help you,
Well-
right?
yes,
You were party to SARFAESI proceedings or not?
yes.
Then the matter chapter ends there. Now, nothing can be done in the suit.
It's what has happened is.
Mr. Counsel,
I-
whatever
Give me-
happened,
give me 2 minutes.
the suit property is not in existent, third-party rights are created, properties have been brought, the
therefore-
proceedings have been brought to their logical end. You have not challenged the SARFAESI proceeding, whatever happened in SARFAESI
But-
proceeding, this this interim injunction was during pendency of those proceedings, but this does not have any bearing on SARFAESI proceeding. Because with respect to SARFAESI proceeding, you cannot challenge in before the civil suit.
So that
Civil
is
suit
what-
is barred.
So that is not before the civil court. I had gone to.
Now,
the
can
civil-
you come to the order of the
Yes, trial
court,
page
trial
90,
court?
Page 90.
Hmm. Now read from paragraph, page 174, para 16.8.
I will. In the present case, may I read my?
Hmm.
In the present case, plaintiff mentioned the cause of action in para 19. The cause of action of this suit has arisen when the defendants illegally executed the above referred agreement to sale.
Who are the defendants?
That's the defendant also are the directors.
Then
different
So
number
it
2 and
was
3.
a dispute. It was a kind of proxy litigation by the directors of the company to evade the recoveries in relation to the company. It
And
was a proxy litigation.
it was a proxy litigation by different number 1, by 2 and 3 in favor of number 4.
It was a
I'm-
proxy litigation by the plaintiff.
No, not for the plaintiff.
Yes, yes.
No.
Yes, you filed this suit just to get away, get an injunction, because otherwise you would not get injunction in any of the matters pertaining to surfacy or insolvency before the civil court. So you have created a kind of situation that
It's the
file a suit against two directors saying that they have illegally executed agreement. So this is apparent from the record. So
It is not that. It is not.
Yes.
It's the other way around.
true facts are
showed-
this.
Let,
Now,
let me show that.
so
document
this
itself.
is,
And
this
my lady may then put the ball in my
this
court.
is, this is
Let me
kind
show-
of,
Let me show
this
that
is
document
kind of
itself.
going to the actual,
No, it is not. My lady, I'm fighting tooth and nail since 2009, 2008.
continue doing that, who stops you?
It is 16 years that I'm litigating. I know it has to come to an end on some day or the other, but there is something is here. Please bear me forward. Because if my lady may see the agreement to say.
We are not looking to anything here. We cannot look to anything.
Because
Everything
said-
is final. Everything is out of the hands of the trial court, and we are in 227.
I know
We
my lady-
cannot
my
upturn
lady
the
will
clock
not be in a
back.
position to
And we
reappreciate.
cannot say that the property which is sold in the surface proceedings, injunction ought to have been granted, and that too in the nature of permanent
So
injunction.
there was injunction was there all throughout before this honorable court also. Right till the
So
appeal
in-
that was preferred, because thereafter it was transferred to the commercial appellate.
See, in mediation proceedings, as a mediator, we used to go to the root cause of
Yes,
the dispute. So I got into the root cause of dispute.
please.
So there is nothing.
And
Likega. Having heard and counsels for the parties and produce a record. Noticing the findings returned by the trial court on the issue of cause of action for filing of the suit, comma, and noticing that the suit property has been disposed of in the proceedings under the Surface Act 2002, wherein the petitioner herein was party, comma, we do not find any reason to interfere, that too by invoking our extraordinary jurisdiction under Article 227 of the Constitution of India. So we may note the findings returned by the trial court on issue number 3 and 4. Those are the issues pertaining to.